I felt this rated up on my...
Yo, dude, I think I'm black. What's up?
You're from the Bronx, yo?
I came from Brooklyn, yo. I was fucking some 40-year-old.
I got AIDS and gonorrhea.